Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 here on TMI Project 13, and that is just a beautiful, beautiful color. I know I didn't do an unboxing, but you know what? I just wanted to get to the point. And that is one beautiful smartphone. Super stoked to have it. My wife has the lavender colored Z Flip 3. We got hers earlier in the day, and I got this case for her. The clear one's for me, and the mustard one for me. I already took it out of the box. So yeah, no unboxing, straight to the point here with the Z Flip 3. Please let me know down below in the comment section what you would like to see from me as far as the reviewing process. I'm just excited to use it, see how user-friendly it is for me. We'll be checking out battery life, functionality. Let's see what else. We'll do some comparisons, video tests, take a lot of pictures. But yeah, super stoked to finally have the Flip here in-house. The Fold is still not a device that I'm intrigued with. I'm not going to spend my money on something that I'm just not intrigued with. This right here, I'm digging it, man. I'm just really, really digging that form factor in that window right there. That is just nice, really nice. Power button, volume rocker, speaker, USB Type-C charging port, mic, SIM tray right there, and that beautiful, beautiful display. Gorgeous, gorgeous. My gifts from Samsung, 35-watt power adapter. It's a duo. Got this guy right here for my wife. The case, there's the lavender case there for my wife, the clear one for me, and I'll be getting other cases. Yeah, I just wanted to come on by and share what I got, and that I'm super, super stoked and excited to finally get into using something completely different than what I've used. Yeah, that is just beautiful. Wow, gorgeous. Bam. All right, everybody. Thanks for coming on by. Appreciate it. Stay safe and healthy, man. God bless. Peace. I'm ready. I am ready. Oh, wait. Okay. Take that back. I'm going to wipe that down and put the case on so I can show you what that looks like. There's the back. There's the front. And I'm digging that animation. The cameras, the flash, the window. That case really complements this device. I'm gonna have to carry one of these with me. It's already got a pre-installed screen protector as well. All right, now I am out.